Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different kind of video. I will be doing a weekend vlog. It's my birthday on Monday and it's also 4th of July weekend. We'll be going to my boyfriend's sister's beach house and we're really excited about that, just to get away and have a really relaxing weekend. And then we will be back on Saturday to go to a friend's 4th of July party, so that should also be fun. I'm super excited. I'm turning 28. I can't believe it, but I feel like I've always been an old soul, so nothing has changed. If you guys notice that my video does look different, that's because my lovely boyfriend bought me a new lens, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm excited to film some videos for you guys, starting with this weekend. So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching this video and spending the weekend with me, just stay tuned.
It's your vlog.
Hey guys, this is my boyfriend Jason. This is his first time on my channel, and right now we're just getting some food, and we are just in Duxbury. We're at Firestone, and his sister told us to get this chicken sandwich, so we're gonna try it and hopefully it's good.
Birthday weekend coming up, you know. Time to party. Yeah. Pretty much it.
Hi guys, I finally made it to the beach house and I'm with two of my favorite people, Austin and Princess Mia. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, we just got here and we're just about to, what are we about to do?
We didn't walk down the beach far. Not too far. Not too far.
So yeah, we might just go take a walk right now.
Yeah.
And yeah, I will check back with you guys soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Me and Mia are just hanging out and she's just watching a movie. Are you having fun? Yeah? Me too. Let's go see what Uncle Jay's doing. Everyone, we just woke up. It is, what time is it, Mia? It's 8:32 in the morning and we're about to go make some breakfast. Is Nani making breakfast? Yes. What do you like eating in the morning?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Okay. Alright, so we are going to make some breakfast and we will check back with you guys soon. yesterday we didn't go to the beach because it wasn't that sunny, so we ended up just taking a walk, which was also nice. But yeah, we're just hanging out at the house. We're actually leaving today, and it's also not sunny out today, so you know, we don't get to enjoy the beach that much, but I feel like we've both been relaxing and just enjoying this time. It's just so beautiful out here and peaceful, and next time we come here, hopefully it's sunny. I think we're about to go on a walk. I'll see you guys soon.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never.
Hi guys, I am back home. I just got back from the 4th of July party, and I left early just because I wanted to do some editing. But I'm about to come make something to eat and just sit on the couch, watch some Netflix, which is my favorite thing to do. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't have anything planned for tomorrow. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!